Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out this amazing Bluetooth speaker from Tronsmart. This is a 40-watt Bluetooth speaker. The model is called the Element Mega. So here is what the box looks like, guys. As you can see, the panel on the top, it is a touch panel. It's got a DSP technology. You've got the 28 core high fidelity large subwoofer, and of course it supports NFC. So let's open it up and see what you get inside the box. So as you can see, the speaker has been out and tested already. So inside this tiny box you get your accessories. You've got your micro USB cable to charge the device, the speaker I mean, and of course you got the dual aux right here if you do decide to go wired instead of Bluetooth. And of course you've got your user manual inside there and your warranty. So the speaker itself, here it is, guys. Boom, look at that. What a beautiful speaker. So this Bluetooth speaker has a 3300 milliamp battery, which should last you roughly around 15 hours of playtime. So that's plenty of hours, guys, to listen to your favorite music. So this is perfect pretty much for a beach, if you want to bring this to the beach or to the party or whatever. This battery will definitely last you for a very long time. So the build material on this is pretty solid. It does have some heft to it. I could even let me just grab my weight scale here just to show you that it does have some weight to it. In grams, it is 644 grams. If we change the units to pounds, it is roughly around 1.4 pounds. So it does have some weight to it, guys. It's not a cheap plasticky build material on it. It is built of solid plastic with a suede texture on it. And then here is the mesh is made of aluminum. You've got the subwoofer right there that goes through to the other end, and you have two other speakers on the side here. So you can also pair this with another set of speaker so that you could have left and right to have that nice surround sound effect to it. But other than that, having just one speaker itself, guys, it sounds really good. The sound quality is rich and the bass is just super amazing if you're into bass. So let's try to sync this on my phone and listen to the sound quality so that you guys have an idea what the sound quality is like. So let me grab and look for my phone here. So I had to double check for the price of this speaker because I was a bit shocked from the sound quality you get from this based to the price what they are pricing it on Amazon, which is $50. I was thinking that it would have cost more than $50 because of how good the sound quality is. So I forgot to show you guys around on the back here. This is your pretty much all the things that you need to attach. You've got your line in right there. You got your on and off switch. You've got your TF card, and of course your DC in to charge the battery. So let me just turn this on. As you can see on the top, it's got a white accent lighting around it, which looks really amazing. So let me just try to sync it on my phone here. It'll be quick. Right there. Boom, we are connected. All right, so let's go find some music. And again, this thing, the panel is touch. So let me just play some music here for you guys.
Are you going so fast tonight? Have you ever stopped beside the road?
Oops, sorry guys, I accidentally pressed the pause.
Smell the rose of life. Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out.
So there you have it guys, as you can hear or heard from the music right there, the sound quality on this speaker is just super amazing. I don't know if it will be justified just listening or watching it through the video, but in real life guys, the volume, the quality and the volume is just really good for the price you are paying for this. The sound quality, it feels like you're in the theater. It's got that 3D rich sound quality to it, and of course the bass is just like booming right in front of you. It's just amazing guys for the price you are paying for this. And also forgot to mention that it does has a built-in mic on it, so you could use this as a Bluetooth speaker pretty much. As if you want to talk on the phone, you could use this if you need to make a phone call. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Instead of paying lots of money to get the Boss or those high-end speaker, check this speaker out before you make that decision guys. For the price, you can't go wrong with it. Just a fantastic Bluetooth speaker. So that's pretty much it guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.